Good afternoon, students. Today we shall be discussing the practice test paper 2, and as you all know, this test was conducted on 19th June. So in this video we will be discussing all the 10 questions. Now those of you who attended the test, very good, keep it up children. But those of you who did not give the test, children, please get a little serious about your tests because the teachers are marking your attendance now. Now we can see who all are seeing the videos and who are giving the test and who all are not giving the test. So if you will not give the test or if you will not see the videos or the study materials, the teachers can mark you absent. So from now on, it's a request. Please watch the videos regularly. Now coming back to the test paper, the first question was the word Himalaya means, there were two options, abode of snow and natural barrier. So the term Himalaya means abode of snow or home of snow. Abode means home. So abode of snow or home of snow. So this is the correct answer because Himalayas is always covered with snow. It is covered with snow throughout the year. That is why the meaning of the term Himalaya is abode of snow. And natural barrier is wrong because children, Himalayas protect us from attack by our neighboring countries. So it acts as a natural barrier. The term Himalaya doesn't mean natural barrier. It acts as a natural barrier or a protective shield. So Himalayas or the term Himalaya means abode of snow. That is the right answer. Now question number 2 was, the Himalayas are divided into dash parallel ranges. There were two options again. The options were 2 and 3. So children, here the Himalayas are divided into 3 parallel ranges. I'll repeat again. The Himalayas are divided into 3 parallel ranges. The first one is the Greater Himalayas, which is also known as Himadri, and it is the northernmost mountain range. Now second is Middle Himalayas, which lies just below the Greater Himalayas, and it is also known as Himachal. And the third and the last range is the Lower Himalayas, which is also known as Shivaliks. So there are in total 3 parallel ranges. Now moving to the next question. The Greater Himalayas is also known as, so children, here the Greater Himalayas is also known as Himadri, and it is the northernmost range or chain of mountains. Himachal is the wrong answer because Himachal is another name for Middle Himalayas, which lies in between. As the term suggests, middle means it is lying between Greater and Lower Himalayas. So the Greater Himalayas is also known as Himadri and not Himachal. Himachal is another name for Middle Himalayas. Now question number 4. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is, this most of you have got correct. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar, and Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. That is why Itanagar is the right answer. Now question number 5 is, which is the largest producer of apple in the state? Now this some of you have got wrong. Most of you have marked Jammu and Kashmir. But the largest producer of apples in India is Himachal Pradesh. This is a direct question. It is given from, this question was given from back exercise only. So the answer is Himachal Pradesh. Jammu and Kashmir has many orchards in the valley, but Himachal Pradesh is the largest producer of apples in India. So the correct answer was Himachal Pradesh. Now question number 6. The Siliguri Corridor is also known as, there were two options, chicken's neck and pisciculture. So Siliguri Corridor is also known as chicken's neck because it is a very, that corridor is a very tiny strip or passage that connects the states of India to the northeastern part or to the northeastern state. So that tiny strip, because of that tiny strip, it has got its name chicken's neck. So chicken's neck is the right answer. And children, pisciculture is a practice of breeding and rearing fish. So it is a practice of breeding and rearing fish. So that is not related to Siliguri Corridor, and that is a wrong option. And the right answer was chicken's neck. Now question number 7 is, many hill stations are located in which part of Himalayas? So in this question, children, many hill stations are located in, the correct answer is middle Himalayas. So many hill stations are located in middle Himalayas or Himachal, and it has very beautiful hill stations like Mussoorie, Shimla, Darjeeling, Nainital. So all these hill stations are in middle Himalayas, and lower Himalayas, it mostly has valleys, mountain slopes, hills. So children, and thick forest, of course thick forest. So middle Himalayas is the right answer. Now moving to the next question, question 8. Which place receives maximum rainfall in the world? So the correct answer here is Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives the highest or receives the maximum annual rainfall in the world. So Mawsynram is the right answer, and Dharamshala, children, is a tourist spot. It is a very beautiful tourist spot in Himachal Pradesh. So it is in Himachal Pradesh. Dharamshala is in Himachal Pradesh, and that is why the correct answer here is Mawsynram. Now the next question, question 9. The highest peak of Himalayan range that lie in India. So children, the highest peak of Himalayan range that lie in India is Kanchenjunga. In India, the highest peak is Kanchenjunga, and Mount K2 is the second highest peak of Himalayas, but it is located on the China and Pakistan border. It is not in India, so the correct answer is Kanchenjunga. And Kanchenjunga is the highest peak of Himalayan range, which is in India. Now the last and the 10th question, which is the landlocked state located in Himalayas? So the landlocked state located in Himalayas is Sikkim, because it is surrounded with Nepal in the north, Tibet in the northeast, Bhutan in the east, and West Bengal in the south. Since it is completely covered with states and countries from all sides, so Sikkim will be the right answer. Now children, we have discussed all the 10 questions, and if you still have any doubt, you can message me on Campus Care. And children, regarding I received certain messages regarding that you people have still not seen the marks. Children, it is advisable that as soon as it strikes 8 p.m, children, please go and see the marks immediately, because then we have to also close the part where we are accepting the responses, because children, after 8 p.m you are not supposed to give the test. So we teachers are closing the links after 8 p.m. So it is advisable that you see the marks then and there, because if I will close the link, then you will not be able to see the marks. But now the link is open, so those who have not seen the marks, please go and see the marks. Your marks as well as your right and the wrong answers are visible, so please go and see the marks. And children, it's a humble request, from now on please watch the videos, study materials, everything on time, because the teachers are marking your attendance. I'll repeat this again. The teachers are marking your attendance now every day. So please watch the videos regularly, and in case of any doubt, we are always there to help you. So please go and watch the videos, and if you have any doubt, then you can freely message to us. We will be very happy to solve all your problems. So children, with this session has come to an end, and please children, revise the lessons that we have done till now. We have completed 4 lessons, and in the next class we will be starting with the 5th chapter. So children, I will see you in my next video. Thank you.